Hiya! Today we're going to take a closer look at something I received in the mail. This is a hand saver arrow puller from a company called Allen. It prevents hand wear and tear. Also, molded finger grooves improve grip. That's what it says on the other side. Pretty neat. Alright, we're going to open this up, take a closer look, maybe pull some arrows. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, let's get into this. Cool, neat. Allen. Clip for your quiver or your belt. Really digging the color. I love the green and the black swirl. There's the grip right there. And yeah, it's for your arrow. Pretty neat. So yeah, there it is. $8 on Amazon. It is an add-on item, so you have to spend like 25 or 30 bucks. So yeah, $8 Canadian, folks. That's the arrow puller from Allen. Yeah, let's go pull some arrows. Well, well, well. Look at this spray of arrows here. Looks like a job for the arrow puller. Let's give it a go. It's got these little grooves here for your fingers. Try it out. Comfortable. Now come on, you know the bags are easy. They're meant to be easy for your arrows to pull out. Okay. All right, now for the foam target. Probably in a couple inches. Yeah. Cool. Oh. It almost has a little more pleasure. It's almost got some pleasure to it now. It's a lot easier to pull, to grip. It's got comfort now when you're doing it. Yeah. Now, another way to use the arrow puller is kind of like this way, grabbing your arrows. Now because the way the arrows are situated, I was like kind of pulling them from this way. But yeah, you can easily kind of pull them this way if you're coming at a target. Yeah. Works. Easy. Comfortable. Yeah. Pretty cool. It's a wicked little tool, guys. It's only $8 on Amazon, $8 Canadian. It's an add-on item. So you have to spend about $25 to add this to your cart. Yeah, it clips onto your quiver or your belt or whatnot. It's pretty neat. It does its job. Highly recommend it for an archery tool with you. Yep. If you're enjoying yourself, like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have many other products and more archery adventures in the future. Thank you so much for viewing. Please shoot straight and shoot safe. Have a good one. See you guys next time.